If your computer isn't working quite right, maybe your Wi-Fi is dropping, your sound's gone silent, or your graphics look off, chances are you need to update or install a driver. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to install drivers on Windows 11, step by step. Stick around until the end because I'll cover a few different methods, including one that most people miss. Alright, let's get started. First, click the Start button at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. From the menu on the left, scroll down and select Windows Update. Now, click on Advanced Options, then scroll until you see Optional Updates. Here's where Windows hides a lot of driver updates. If you see any listed, just select them, then click Download and Install. Windows will automatically handle the installation. No extra tools needed. But what if your driver doesn't appear there? Don't worry. Here's the second method. Click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Device Manager, then open it. You'll see a list of all your hardware components, things like display adapters, network adapters, and sound devices. Find the one you want to update. Let's say it's your network adapter. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Now, you'll get two options. You can choose Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will look online for the best match. Or, if you've already downloaded the driver manually from your manufacturer's website, choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then follow the prompts to install it. Once it's installed, you might need to restart your PC. And that's it. Your drivers are now up to date, and your hardware should be running smoothly. Keeping your drivers updated not only fixes issues, but also improves performance and stability. So it's worth checking every now and then. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.